Cut like butter.
Well, don't talk to the thing.
Right. See here, make sure I got you guys can see this mug properly. Hey, this morning, guys, we're heading to the Savage Yard. You guys know that's one of my favorite places to go. And I finally got a day off. I tell you, I've been grinding at work all week. Actually, for the past 2 weeks. Hey, you guys can probably know that I was putting like 4 videos out a week, boy. I tell you, I was grinding. So I said, you know what? I don't know if I can keep this up, man. I mean, but I just want to keep you guys up to date of what's going on. I just got so much stuff going on, and I've been trying to film a lot of stuff that I do. You know, I guess you could say interesting stuff, but I'm constantly, like I said, on the road, on the grind. But anyway, this morning we're gonna head to Savage Yard. So I'm looking for some parts for my project and stuff, from a new project. Also looking for a motor. I always looking for a motor. I mean, you can just have a motor sitting, because you never know what type of project you can get into. But I'm always looking for a 5.3 or 6.0. Looking for a transmission. I think I may have a transmission pinpointed down. I just got to go and check the guy out. So I'm looking for some a brake booster and also a brake housing. Everything with the brakes mechanism, but it's a certain vehicle you got to get those off of. So anyway, you guys come along this morning with me. I got my cup of Joe and everything. We're gonna see what we can get into, guys, and hopefully this will be an interesting day, because I really do hate going to the Savage Yard when the grass is high and everything. And like I said, I'm going roll count, so maybe we can get a weed eater and take with us and stuff. He like those weed eaters with the batteries on them, so that'll be helpful. So anyway, guys, I'll turn you guys back on in a second. Once we get out there, it's gonna take us about 30 minutes to get to the Savage Yard. So I don't want to show all that driving and everything like that, but I'll turn you guys back on here in about a second. Okay, because it was at his house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was at his place, and he told me he was gonna bring it over there. Chop it here. Gonna chop it, put an S10 frame on it. That frame, I mean, I can't believe it's just a straight. I mean, it ain't been driven with only what 40-some thousand miles on it.
I really shows 30-some thousand. I bet that's what that thing had on it.
Before they parked it, huh?
Yeah. Who you think? I don't know if I'll sell that motor. Who do you think man will put that motor on?
What?
That old Pontiac motor. Put it on Craigslist?
Oh yeah. No, actually no. Don't put it on Craigslist. Put it on Marketplace. Tracy know how to do that.
Put it on Marketplace.
Yep, they got all they got good stuff on there on Marketplace, and it's local.
I'm gonna price that thing for $500.
I got 2. I've been thinking about doing it on mine too. Those.
Well, you don't never know.
But I was gonna put both of mine for $500, because I also got film with it start with them working, because I actually had both of them working before I took them out. And that 6 there is I think there are two 16s. But that's what we need to do before we throw them away. He already cut the floor pans out. And he already did the rocker panels. Just want to show you guys a quick update of where he's at. This is like day 4. I already got it apart. Well, maybe it was. It just looked weird. Maybe it was.
It's got good brakes, so you really done good. I've never seen it.
It looked like it got more power.
Well, I gotta find what we're looking for first.
Can't really see the center consoles, man. All the center consoles and stuff look tore up, man. I mean, dang. That one over there. All the center consoles and stuff. I should have wore some long pants. Yeah, let's walk down this aisle here. Walk down here. See. Boy, this is snake territory here. I didn't see no PT Cruisers neither. The PT Cruisers are where I need the window regulators out of. Try to find a newer car like a Ford Escape or something like that. They got some nice consoles and like tan. Can't be too busy on picky though. Can't get to. Most of them got tanks in the front, in the middle of them. I see a PT Cruise over there. See how high that grass is. I ain't walking through there, brother. Figured it.
No, just don't hold it or something.
Huh.
But this, if it's got a motor or something in it now, it'll leak down. You got to set it back down all the way on the ground. And
Oh yeah, raise it up again. But that's what you're looking for right there. Oh, S10 freak got everything in there. That's good. Yeah, it sure does.
on the motors over there.
What, the calipers?
Yeah, brake caliper. See it right there? It's going on that. See that the pads are on it.
Oh yeah, but yeah. He normally buys that new anyway.
Yeah, he probably, yeah, he put that.
He's gonna start cutting it right here. Cut like butter. Yeah, that's good there.
Can't beat that with $silver, can you?
No, sir.
He'll pick that up and lay it on my trailer.
Alright guys, so I got 3 motors to choose from. Alright. That's a 5.3 there. That's 2.48s, but they look like 5.3s. This one got 102,000 miles. This one got 98,000. And this one here got 129. Alright, so we got 3 motors to choose from. Alright guys, so what you guys think? I appreciate you guys hanging out, man. So I'm gonna make a decision here in a minute. Alright, so we are back at Count's place, man. We got everything offloaded and stuff. I'm gonna take you guys, let you look at the seats I got on my truck. He's already tearing apart that rear end and that front clip. These are the seats I got. They come out of a 96 Accord. So I'm just trying to collect all my stuff that I need. So anyway guys, I want to appreciate you guys hanging along with me today. That was fun, and we're about to go back to the house and do a little work ourselves. Alright guys, what a morning. I tell you, that was fun. Woo, so I just got back in old midnight, man, and I'm heading back to the house. I'm gonna take what I got from the Savage Yard. Nate, like I said, he had 3 motors to choose from up there. I did find me some seats that I showed you guys. They come out of a 96 Accord. So, you know, it's good to find stuff. And I'm way out from seats and everything, but I can tell those are gonna be some perfect seats for me to use. Since I'm kind of far out, far as with my motor and everything, I think I'm gonna just hold off right now. Those motors will be there. I could probably spend my little bit of money on something else. It was pretty good price on those motors. So that was fun, and that's what we do, man. You guys saw I went to a few cars and stuff. Unfortunately, whenever they leave those cars out in the elements like that, with the windows rolled down, it's hard to find some consoles. So I'm still looking for a console. I haven't found what I'm looking for yet, but trust me, whenever I do find one, you guys will be with me when I find it. I'll make sure of that. So anyway, hey, thanks for hanging out with me this morning, guys. And like I tell everybody, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. I'll catch you guys on the next video, guys. I'm out.